stretch a hot air balloon into a stream of liquid lines, you see this image stretch effect on album covers and fashion posters everywhere. It looks like some complicated composite, but in Photoshop, it is just two duplicates and one transform. Today we will build it start to finish with this balloon over the snow mountains. First, the principle. So every step makes sense. At its core, this effect stretches one thin strip of the image way out. Pull the patterns inside that strip apart and they turn into flowing lines. Keep a copy of the subject on top so the lines look like they grow right out of it. First, get your base image ready. The cleaner the subject's outline, the better this works. Go to Select, then Subject. Photoshop grabs the balloon automatically. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it. The subject now sits on its own layer, and this copy stays untouched. Next, grab the rectangular marquee tool, drag its selection across the subject. I am framing the upper half of the balloon, and this strip is what gets stretched. Press Ctrl or Command plus J again to copy that strip to a new layer. Now there are 3 layers: the background, the full subject, and this thin slice. Switch back to the Move tool. Click a control point to enter transform mode. Grab the top handle and pull the layer way up. The moment you pull, the lines grow on their own. The yellow and black blocks inside the slice stretch into ribbons. The longer you pull, the thinner and more fluid the lines get. Now right-click on the layer and choose Warp. Warp gives you a grid, and dragging it changes where the lines flow. Take the straight upward brush and bend it outward into arcs. Straight feels sharp, curved feels soft. The shape is your call. Press enter when you like it, and you are done. A few pointers for the feel. Where you frame the selection decides where the lines grow from. Frame the top of the subject, and the extension looks most natural. Keep the slice narrow, and the lines come out cleaner. The same trick works in any direction. Pull down or sideways for a different mood. You can also cut several slices and stretch each to a different length for more depth. Now look back at the image. The balloon is still a balloon, but it has become a visual symbol. Sometimes design is not about adding things. It is about stretching something familiar into an unfamiliar shape.